Runonflux Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Runonflux Wallet app is the gateway to the Flux ecosystem, a decentralized cloud infrastructure that's reshaping how we think about Web hosting and crypto storage. But is the wallet itself truly worth using? Let's find out. First, the pros. Runonflux is more than just a place to store tokens, it's your connection to the Flux network, which powers decentralized computing and apps. The wallet allows users to stake, mine, and manage Flux assets, all while maintaining self-custody over their funds. One of the biggest advantages is multi-platform accessibility. You can use the wallet on desktop, mobile, or directly in your web browser. This flexibility means your assets and staking rewards are always within reach, no matter what device you prefer. The wallet also includes built-in Flux node management, allowing users to operate validator nodes directly from the interface. This is a huge win for people who want to earn passive income by supporting the network's infrastructure. In terms of security, Runonflux gives you complete control of your private keys. Nothing is stored on centralized servers, which aligns perfectly with the project's vision of full decentralization. Now, let's talk about the cons. Because Runonflux is designed for the Flux ecosystem, it's not a multi-chain wallet. If you hold assets on other blockchains, you'll still need separate wallets to manage them. Another drawback is complexity. For newcomers, managing nodes or mining from within the app can feel overwhelming at first. It's clearly built with tech-savvy crypto users in mind. Finally, network performance can vary depending on the strength of the Flux infrastructure at any given time, especially during high-demand periods. In conclusion, the Runonflux Wallet app is a powerful tool for those who believe in the decentralized cloud movement. The surprising truth? It's not just a wallet, it's a command center for web computing. If you're part of the Flux ecosystem, this is where your journey truly begins.